Hey guys, I'm going to do a quick video on how to find equivalent fractions using a number line. So in my first example here, I have a line that is cut into 8 parts. And so I kind of showed you here how I can figure out that there are 8s. So if I do this, there's 8 sections, and so then it's going to go 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and then 8/8, which is equal to 1. So that's kind of how we did that. But we can also divide this line into fourths because I can make 4 equal hops. So if I do 2 at a time, there's 1 hop, 2 hop, 3 hop, 4 hops. So I can do 8s or I can do fourths. When fractions are equivalent on a number line, what they do is they line up. So 2/8 and 1/4 is actually an equivalent fraction. They are the same distance, and if you look up here, you can see that they are the same distance. The same with 4/8 and 1/2, and 6/8 and 3/4. Now this 1/2, 4/8 and 1/2 are the same. This could have also been 2/4, but all of those are the same things. All of these fractions right here are equivalent, and then these two are also equivalent. So 1/2 is the same distance from 0 as what fraction? So if I look on my line, I can see that 1/2 and 4/8 are the same distance. You can see that with my numbers down here, and you can see it in the jumps that I've done. On our next problem, we need to fill in these two blanks to find equivalent fractions. So the first way that we have done this is we've done it by 6. And I figured that out by counting over each jump. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my bottom number is going to be 6. And to figure out my fraction here, I'm just going to see how many jumps I did. 1, 2. And I'm going to put that over my 6th. So I can do 6, or I can also make 3 jumps by counting by 2s. So I can do 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jumps. So it's still equal. There has to be an equal amount between all of my jumps. But I can do 6s or thirds. So if I do by thirds, they've already identified down here that this is 2/3 because I made 2 jumps to get there. This jump, I've only made 1. So it's going to be 1. And I made 3 total jumps, so it's 1/3. So in this one, 2, 6, and 1/3 are equivalent, as are 4, 6, and 2/3.